Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to prepare your concrete for carpet installation. Now for this job, you'll need a couple things. For this job, we'll be using a drill with a concrete bit, a hammer, tack strip, and dowel rod the same size as your concrete bit. You'll also need a pencil or marker. So we're going to set the tack strip where we're going to need it to be installed to put in our carpet. So we'll set it just a little bit away from where we want it to go and put some marks onto our concrete. Then we'll go ahead and take our drill and drill them out. Now we'll take our dowel rod and place it in our hole and snap it off. Take your tack strip, put it back into place, and drive it down. After that, sweep your floor and install your carpet. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.